My question has to do with an article that came out today in the Times-Picayune, in which it reported that Tom Pirelli, the Associate Attorney General, was lauding local non-governmental and governmental agencies in the effort to help women who are victims of domestic violence.
One of the things that we teach our students when we're teaching them about this governmental system that we have is how important it is in a two-party system to compromise.
Right.
There's no streamlining of what governmental requirements are required on both sides of the border, and that's something that we can actually fix, making a one-stop shop for a young entrepreneur who's starting a business who wants to know what forms do I have to fill out to export my product abroad.
On the governmental track, we'll have an umbrella agreement on data protection by this summer based on equal treatment of EU and US citizens.
Although not all governmental, a lot of it was NGO work.
And because of the Paris Agreement that we struck, you are going to see more investment from the private sector, not just from governmental sectors, and that is going to accelerate progress even more.